Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. FAHREN H11 9005 Light Bulbs Combo, upgraded and brightest, 80,000 LM 900% super bright H9H8 HB3 off-road use or fog light bulbs, 6500K white non-polarity plug and play, pack of 4. Perfect Focused Beam FAHREN H11/H9/H8 bulbs and 9005/HB3 fog light bulbs, after undergoing an upgrade, feature an optimal beam pattern with a clear cutoff line, preventing glare for oncoming vehicles. The 0.03-inch ultra-thin profile makes the chips much closer, creating a super focused beam with no dark spots, no shadows, ensuring a wider and farther view at night for safe driving. Brightness increased by 900%. FAHREN Light Bulbs H11/H9/H8 and 9005/HB3 utilize the latest chip technology, enhancing visibility with 9 times the brightness of stock regular bulbs, offering a broader field of vision and quicker response times. They stand as excellent alternatives to stock regular bulbs, ensuring your safety on the road. Authentic 1:1 mini design compared to other bulbs. FAHREN 9005 H11 fog light bulbs discards bulky bases and extra drivers. The bulb undergoes numerous tests and meticulous design to achieve the optimal 1:1 size match with regular bulbs. Thanks for watching and subscribe.